Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this are fast once you know the secret. We're looking at a function where the first and second derivatives tell everything. First, look at the given information where the first derivative at 2 equals 0. This tells us that the slope is horizontal, meaning we definitely have a critical point right there. Next, we check the second derivative, which is negative at that same spot. Since the graph is concave down while the slope is 0, the function must reach a high point. This combination confirms a local maximum. Applying the second derivative test, we can confidently see that option B is the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check your steps.